Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to dive into a super useful Mac feature, Picture-in-Picture mode. I'll show you how to enable it in just a few easy steps. First things first, you need a video player that's currently running. For this example, I'm using YouTube in my web browser, but this works with Netflix, the Apple TV app, pretty much anything. Once you've got your video playing, you need to access the Picture-in-Picture menu. There are actually two main ways to do this. The first way is to double right-click directly on the video player itself. This will bring up a context menu with video controls, and you should see the Picture-in-Picture option. Alternatively, you can hold down the Control key on your keyboard and double left-click on the video. This will bring up the same menu. Once you see that Picture-in-Picture option, just click it. Boom! Your video will pop out of the player and become a floating window on your Mac desktop. Now this window will stay on top of everything you open, which is super handy. You can drag it around your screen, even partially off screen, to position it exactly where you want. You can also resize it by clicking and dragging on any of the corners. Make it bigger or smaller to suit your needs. When you're done with Picture-in-Picture mode and want the video back in its original player, simply click the Back to Tab button that appears in the floating window. And just like that, the video will be placed back inside the video player, like you never left. And that's it. That's how you use Picture-in-Picture mode on your Mac. It's a really simple and useful feature for multitasking. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience. You can find helpful links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome Mac tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.